The one sessions that I like most are the workshops and the roundtable discussions. There are topics which are being discussed year over year, the same topics, but they are so important that there is always a need to discuss and revisit the same topic. An example comes the reference standard, stability. These topics will never go away because there is always newer issues come up. And at the same time, we are also have the workshops and roundtables on the very new topics which have not been discussed in the past, very cutting edge. So it's really the kind of a really solid mix of both the topics that keep coming along year over year, as well also the new topics. That's one of the best experience I get at the CAS.